Are you feeling overwhelmed wearing multiple hats in your business? Always juggling different things, trying to keep up with all of them, but never feeling like you're truly getting ahead? Are you struggling to keep up with leads, manage your current clients, and ultimately grow your business the way that you initially set out to do? Well, if this is you, just know that you're not alone. And I've been in that exact same spot over the past couple of years. What if I told you, though, that there was a game changing solution designed to change the way in which you grow your business and streamline that growth so you can scale with stability? I'm going to introduce to you GoHighLevel, the ultimate all in one platform that transforms the way you manage and grow your business. As you may have already seen on social media, I've officially announced that I'm sponsored by and an affiliate of GHL. Personally, I have now used this software in my businesses since 2020. And even since that time, we were implementing that same software for our clients as well and seeing a massive results. It's been a game changer. If you are looking to level up your CRM and marketing game, then this is the platform for you. Not only can GoHighLevel manage your entire sales funnel from A to Z, automate your marketing campaigns, and nurture all of your leads from one place, you can also ditch plenty of other softwares that I guarantee you're paying for right now that would save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month. So what are you waiting for? You might be asking yourself that question. There's over 60,000 users already on the platform in 140 different companies or countries. You're next. Curious to see how it works? Click the link below for a free trial so you can see for yourself and test out some of these game-changing features that GoHighLevel has. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts and feedback, and make sure to subscribe so that way you can get notified each and every single time we launch a new video. And remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.